In this video, I will show you exactly how to add beautiful frames and borders to your designs using Adobe Express. Whether you are creating a social media post, a flyer, or a digital invitation, adding a frame can instantly pull your composition together and give it a polished, professional look. To get started, open your project and take a look at the left-hand toolbar. You will see several icons there, but the one you want to focus on is the Elements icon. This menu is home to all the shapes, graphics, and decorative items available in the software. Once you click on Elements, a search bar will appear at the top of the panel. This is where the magic happens. Simply type in the word frame or border and hit enter. Immediately, you will see a massive variety of options ranging from simple geometric outlines to elaborate floral designs and vintage styles. You can scroll through the results to find something that matches the aesthetic of your brand or the mood of your project. When you find a frame you like, just click on it to add it to your canvas. From there, you can easily resize it by dragging the corners or change its color to match your palette. Adobe Express makes it incredibly simple to layer these frames over your photos or behind your text to create depth. If you want a more organic look,